Welcome back, friends. Today we'll go through logical addressing. It's addressing technique which use in internet connectivity of systems. So here, logical address means what? Logical address is nothing but IP address, and here the full form of IP is what? Internet protocol. Okay, so we know very well internet means what? A network of networks, and here protocol means what? Very simple and easy definition of protocol, that is what? A set of rules. It means what? Protocol. Okay, so here IP address layer 3 network addressing is one of the major tasks of network layer. Network address are always logical. Keep remember, network layer addresses are always logical. That is, these are software based. That is again a very important thing here. You should be remember, that is what? These are the software based address which can be changed by appropriate configuration. Okay, means IP address can be changed with a appropriate configuration. Whenever we are dealing with IP address, then IP address cannot be constant or cannot be same for always. It may be changed with the appropriate configuration. Okay, now next, IP addressing provide a mechanism to differentiate between host and network. Host means what? User. Okay, and we know network means what? A connection between users or hosts. Now here, because IP addresses are assigned in hierarchical manner, a host always reside under a specific network. The host which need to communicate outside its subnet means another net. Okay, needs to destination network address where the packet is to be sent. Why the logical address is essential? Suppose in our general communication, when we use a letter communication using a post office, then why it is necessary? Why? Because of we want to say something to someone. So the procedure of letter writing and posting we know very well. For example, if I want to write a letter to the principal, then the first thing is what? I know the address of the principal, means a college address, name of principal, then the content what I want to say him or her. After that, mentioning that content, we must be right there our name or our address. Why the both addresses are essential? If the letter is successfully delivered to the destination device, to the destination end, then no problem. But due to any technical problem or due to any problem, if letter is not delivered to the destination address, then sender address help to send back to the sender in the form of negative acknowledgement, isn't it? Okay, so in a letter communication, the reply of the letter is playing role as an acknowledgement. Okay, now here logical addressing are very essential to both end. Why? Because of to identify or distinguish the sender and receiver. The logical address means IP address are uniquely give to the each and every device which are connected to the internet or which are using internet. Now here the some different kinds of addressing techniques. Here first is unicast, that is designed for only one host. Another one is what? Multicast, designed for to group, means network. And here broadcast, designed to all, means here in a broadcast the single machine can enter or a group of machines, means network can also connect or enter in a broadcast. And another one and last one, that is what, Anycast, designed to nearest one. For example, the Wi-Fi network or wireless connectivity network, which is providing net connectivity to the nearest, means limited geographical area devices which allow to enter in the network. Okay, so here just a basic information about the logical address, means IP address. In our upcoming lecture we'll see the versions, different versions of IP addresses like IPv4, IPv6 and etc. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dharaz Infotech, and please don't forget press the bell icon which help you to get the notification of my new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.